Hi, in this video I will show you how to change Wi-Fi password on the ASUS router using ASUS Router mobile app and your smartphone. First thing you need to do is to open the app. Then you see you are connected to the router and you click the Wi-Fi icon. Click on the Wi-Fi names. And there you can change the password for the 2.4 GHz network or 5 GHz network. Tap on the password and enter new password and tap OK to confirm all the changes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.